All right, here it is, December 15, 2021. I'm down at the East Bowl here. The time is 10:51 a.m. One big development here, at least for me, is they knocked down my tree that was right here. I believe that's where it was. So that was a nice perch. So now that tree and the surrounding little flower bed area there is gone. So now it's a little bit harder to see over the fence down here now. So I'm continuing to tear stuff down. I'm going to step up on this base here, but I don't think this is going to help much for me. So still kind of quiet down here. Got all their equipment pulled up over there. And it rained last night, but not that much, I don't believe. So probably a minor impact on the site today. And like I say, can't really see much of anything down here now, but just taking a shot down here. My main goal is to get down to the West Paseo and shoot down there. So I can't see through the fence over here, so maybe I can see something over here. See back up into the East Bowl, you can see the equipment stuff sitting over there. But pretty quiet down here today, so I'm not going to shoot a lot here, but the loss of my little perch there kind of hurts. But onward and upward. So I'm going to shut this down here, and I'm going to move down to the West Paseo, see what's happening down there right now. Alrighty. Alright, I moved down to the West Paseo now. Time is 11:03 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Checking out what's going on down here. Go to my first little perch here. And it looks like they've filled in most of the trenches they had dug yesterday that they were working on. So all of those trenches are filled in. You can see down here there's another trench that they're working on. So it looks like they've, I don't know if they've completed, but they've certainly got most of the trench work that they were dealing with yesterday filled in down on this end. Don't really see many workers down here at all. We did have rain last night from about 11 to 1 roughly. Wasn't really, it was pretty fast moving, so I don't think that much rain was actually dropped. So kind of a minor rain event early. But we'll shoot some down here, see what's going on. Looks like they brought in more gravel down to the West Bowl there, or the gateway to the West Bowl. So kind of quiet down here today on this Wednesday, December 15. Walk down here and get a few more, a bit closer view. Trench work down here. See the trench down there that they've got dug. One guy back out here over by the little museum with one of the smaller bobcat kind of machine front end loaders, probably doing grading work or something, I'm going to guess. I'm going to move out here to my perch down here. Get a shot down the West Paseo here. And you can see it's pretty quiet. Not much going on. Just continuing to dig their trenches down through here. I'm sure this, I'm not really sure how far the catch basins go back down into here. Maybe they continue on around. Not sure. Time will tell. It's pretty quiet today. I don't see anything going on in the West Bowl. I'll do my usual walk around here and see what's what. But pretty quiet down here right now. So I'm going to cut this short and start moving around my route of perches here over towards the West Bowl. Okay, here I am coming up on Brown and Main. Take a look over the fence here as I usually do. Though it's it's pretty calm down here, not much going on. So I'll shoot just a little bit here. Just my usual thing. And I'm going to move on around here. Just a shot over the fence here real quick. Okay, then I'm going to move down, maybe just over to the West Bowl. We'll see. Right, here I am over heading to the West Bowl by AZ 88. It is now 11:12 a.m. Don't really expect much to be down here going on. So I'll probably just shoot a little bit here, not much. And it's probably looking just like it did yesterday. No worse for the rain, really. Is backhoe moving over there by the library. I think it's a backhoe. No, maybe it's just one of those little Bobcat-like front-end loaders, or I think it's a front-end loader. Hard to tell. But pretty quiet down here, so just sort of a status check, see what happened after the rain. Like I said, really wasn't that much rain, so minor impact, if any impact at all. There's some water pooled up right there. It shows up here. It's kind of in the shadow there. But yeah, pretty mellow down here. I think today I will go over by the library steps and shoot down there just to see what's happening down there. But I think I'll wrap this up here and then move around to the library steps. I think is my goal. Alrighty. Right, here I am down at the library steps. Time's now 11:35 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Looks pretty mellow down here. Don't think there's much going on. Before I go up that way, I'm just gonna look over this wall here. So they had this all chopped out. And actually not even much standing water down here now. So last night's rain looks like it had very little impact down here. So move on up here, look over the fence, see what's going on down here in the It's mainly the Civic Line and the Social Hub is what can be seen from here. And actually, down, yeah, that's about it, Civic Line. See, there's big, large pile of debris back out ahead of me there. Past that little light pole or whatever that is. That's probably all the sidewalk that was back in this area across the drink water plateau there. We'll move on around here a little bit. Got another perch over here. Can go up on. See pretty good over here, like this. So pretty much the same as it has been lately. Lagoon there, chopped down to size. Drink water, that area now cleared off. They have the those warning things you can see now across the edge of the overpass, underpass area there on both sides. That's a warning to any big equipment or anybody that wants to enter that area that that's a sensitive area. So got those warning cones up there, warning towers, warning whatever they are, warning you not to go in there. And pretty mellow down here, like I said. So I'm not going to shoot too much here. I'm going to go back over here, back over the fence. So pretty mellow down here today. It's just a little bit of a status check. So we're in week number 8 of the heavy construction. So pretty much got all the demolition done now. They got to haul out some more stuff. Then I think they would be into grading. Got like a couple of weeks left in this year, 2021. Do some grading, get everything lined out, and then by the time they hit 2022, they should be able to get into more detailed construction, laying down concrete and whatnot. So in this up here, go run a few errands and go home and edit this up. Alrighty.